Hi there! My name is Liza Kondrevich and welcome to my Facechart channel. Today I'm going to take you on a journey with me to explore the life of makeup design. I have a perfect example of a brand I collaborate with, one you probably know very well, Makeup by Mario. This collaboration is not only personally close to my heart, but also a perfect opportunity to give you an insight into what Facechart makeup design is all about. To sum up what I do as makeup designer, aside from creating tailor-made Facechart templates, is create makeup looks and makeup lookbooks for cosmetic brands. This collaboration with Makeup by Mario traces back to the inception of the Ethereal Eyeshadow Palette, as back then we worked on designing the gorgeous new template. Every line of this Facechart is meant to serve the brand, and the end design is unlike any other Facechart out there. This template is also hand-drawn. It includes the very essence of makeup designing, a dream partnership with one of the world's most renowned makeup artists, who most of all I admire for being genius in product development and branding, and his dedication to deliver innovative products for both artists and consumers. The Ethereal Eyes Eyeshadow Palette, one of my absolute favorite. It's a true masterpiece. I absolutely love the formula and the range cool and warm tones, which complements and look stunning on every skin tone complexion. When collaborating with brands, the art lies in listening, a complicated process of translating ideas into visual artworks. It's all about aligning your creations with your clients' desires. Designing makeup looks for cosmetic brands, it's a time-consuming process. It's labor of love where perfection is our goal. The art of makeup design involves attention to detail, understanding of how product feels, looks and perform, and translating this into visual artwork. This, combined with running my educational business for Facechart and makeup design, is my full-time profession. Now let's address a common misconception about makeup design. The Ethereal Eyes Eyeshadow Palette serves as an excellent example. When designing makeup looks for products with shimmer, metallic effects, glossiness, multichrome or any other effects that require movement or a 3D surface to fully appreciate, we can't simply apply the product on paper. Paper is flat, and images lack dimension and motion. As a result, makeup designer must possess a unique set of skills to replicate these effects using makeup or artistic supplies. This ensures that design on paper accurately represents how cosmetic products will look on model. What is truly fascinating is that most people don't realize this complexity until it's explained. Overcoming this challenge and teaching these techniques is one of my favorite aspects of my Makeup Designer Academy online course. Students become fascinating as they progress through these lessons, mastering the art of mimicking structures, materials, and effects. The level of detail in makeup design is often surprising, and it's a perspective you might not have considered before. Many makeup artists, even if they don't plan to pursue makeup design professionally, embark on this journey to enrich their knowledge, skills, and expertise. They apply these newfound abilities in artistry of makeup. If you're curious about life of makeup designer and want to explore it further, or if you aspire to create Facechart, don't miss out of the opportunity to download my free guide and template. You'll find it in the link below. It's not just for accessing the free guide and template, but as I promised, this is the path to explore if you'd like to become a makeup designer or learn how to create Facecharts. Thank you for dedicating your time to watch this video. If you'd like to see more exciting content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.